How to make money in Nigeria doing one thing. Coming up. Hey, it's Onome Morin here from incomebycommand.com. Welcome back. How to make money in Nigeria doing one thing. In today's economy, our current income can't meet up with most Nigerians' daily needs. You can see the news. It says Nigeria's economy is sleeping, says World Bank. I got this news from Linda Ikeji blog. Not only that, there's not enough money. Even if you have a business or you're working a job, you receive salaries. Sometimes even the salary you receive does not come monthly. Not only that, you have not enough money to pay rent, pay children's school fees, pay for hospital bills when they come up, even for emergencies. Sometimes there's not enough food, good food on the table for yourself and your family. You're not able to pay for your children's clothes. You're not able to send money to your parents at the village or even to help a relative. Before the month ends, you find out that countless Nigerians, millions of Nigerians are already borrowing from people before the month ends. That's not all. Sometimes you need to work from Mondays to Saturdays between 5 a.m. and 10 p.m. just if you want to beat the traffic. And you can find out that you spend your whole day working, sometimes on weekends. You bring work back home so that you can work. You have no time for family. You don't have money for holidays. Or maybe you have the money, but you have no time for holidays. So what can somebody do? What is the number one thing you can do to make money in Nigeria? In addition to your job, your business, that number one thing is called start an online business. You need to start an online business. So what are the benefits of starting an online business? The first one is you can work from home or anywhere in the world because you have access to the internet. So you can work from home on your computer, work from home in Lagos, at Ibadan, Edo State, Akwa Ibom. It doesn't matter. Let's say you travel out of the country, you can still work your business from anywhere you are in the world. The second thing is with an online business, or if you add an online site to your business, you have a huge income potential. Now, having your business online or starting an online business can multiply your income or your profit by ×2 to ×10. Imagine that. Not only that, some online businesses you can start for free. In this video, I reveal one of the free online businesses you can start. So keep watching. And then it is cheaper to start an online business than a brick and mortar business. Let's say you want to open a boutique or you want to open a tailoring company. You need to pay for rent, you need to pay for generator, you need to pay for staff, you need to pay for the monthly bills, you need to buy fuel and so on and so forth. But starting an online business is way cheaper than starting a brick and mortar business. And that reason why you need to start an online business is that you can reach a huge customer base fast. Imagine you are sitting here in Lagos on your dining table or in your living room. You can reach customers at Delta State, reach customers at Kaduna, reach customers at Abuja, reach customers at Ibadan without leaving your house. So you can reach a huge customer base fast because of the internet. You can do that on Facebook, you can do that using Instagram. And number 6 reason is you do not require any skills to get started with your online business. What I mean is, as a newbie, you can get started with an online business. You don't need to spend 4 years in the university for this. Not only that, the learning curve to learn any online business is short. Another benefit of starting an online business is you can sell and make money while you sleep. Secondly, there are no borders. You can reach people at Lagos, Benin, Abuja, anywhere in the world from Akure. And the 9th reason is you do not need to employ any staff. Your business is open 24/7, 365 days a year. It doesn't matter whether there's strike going on in your state or strike going on in Nigeria. Your business, your online business is on 24/7 making sales for you because you can automate your online business. And then the final reason is it is environmental friendly. What I mean is when you start an online business, you can sit in one place in your home or go somewhere. You do not burn fuel. in commuting. You don't need to burn money in transport. You don't need to spend hours in traffic. You don't even need to use paper to do any type of writing or messaging because of an online business. So press on the subscribe button on the screen and click on the bell icon now and never miss another update. Now that you've seen the benefits, I'm sure you must be wondering, are there disadvantages of an online business? Of course, there are disadvantages of online business. The first one is you can be scammed easily. You can be scammed easily. That is the reason why so many people are afraid. So many Nigerians are afraid of doing online business because they've been scammed. They've been scammed from one network marketing business to one donation kind of business, MMM, and so on and so forth. Then number two is the lack of legit online business coaches, because there are various types of online businesses. In order for you to get started in some of them, you need to learn it, and there are not enough legit online business coaches in Nigeria that you can learn from. The third disadvantage of starting an online business is that it requires some learning. Of course, you don't have to spend 4 years in university to learn it, but you need to dedicate some time, hours, maybe 1 hour per day, 4 hours per week to learn the particular online business you want to go into. The fourth reason is, if you want to make money online, I mean a huge amount of money, between 6 to 7 figures online per month or per year with an online business, you need to use a computer. Of course, there are some businesses online businesses you can do with your phone, but I'm telling you that your phone is going to limit you. But if you have a computer, or you have access to a computer, you can start an online business and then monitor it using your mobile phone. So it works best with a computer. The sixth reason is people think it's a get rich quick scheme. There are so many adverts on Facebook, on YouTube, on Google, on various Nigerian newspapers and online websites about how to make money online fast. And this gives people the kind of idea or mindset that you can get rich quickly from an online business. No, 1,000 times no. This is a business just like any other business. You need to give it some time. You need to pay the price. You need to put in some effort to produce an income. In fact, that is the reason why so many people get scammed, because of their greed. They see, drop 30,000 naira here and make times 10 or make 10% monthly without doing anything. See, if you want to make money online, you need to do something. If you want to make money anywhere in this world, you need to do something. You need to put in some effort. Just that the effort you put in an online business may not be as tedious as the effort you put in some offline brick and mortar businesses. But the key word is you need to put in effort. Now, why do people buy online, and why would they buy from you when you start your online business? These are the reasons. One is no crowds or waiting queues. People love saving money on the cost of petrol and parking charges. 3 is they can shop at any time, anywhere, all over the world, from any state in Nigeria. Then you can search for the best deals, discounts online so that you can make your purchase and save money. You also save time. The 6th reason is you can search for online reviews to check out the product or service you're buying before making a purchase so that you can make the best decision. And number 7 is you have a variety of products online. Imagine if you want to buy a computer from Jumai.com or Amazon. Let's go there right now. This is the Jumai website. Let's type a MacBook Pro and search. You can see it says 14,000 results. Look at this MacBook Pro 15 inches for 1.2 million. This is another one for 1.2 million. Okay, this is a MacBook Pro bar Intel 717,000 naira. So you can make choices online. You have variety. The same thing if you want to buy something on the Amazon website, okay, down to soap, creams, you can buy them online. So you have a wide variety of products you can purchase online and get yourself a good deal and a great product. Now, one of the richest men in the world, a billionaire in dollars, not in naira, said if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Now, this is what's happening today. You can see that there are shops along your streets closing down because people who are selling clothes, people who are selling fashion items, people who are selling cosmetics, people who are selling wristwatches can now buy them online. So you should have a part of your business online, or you should start an online business. Now I want to recommend 2 online businesses for you. The first one I recommend is called freelancing, and the second one is called affiliate marketing. For freelancing, it means that you offer your services to people online who want them and they're going to pay you some money. You can start freelancing for free on this website, fiverr.com or upwork.com. Now, what are the kind of services you can sell on this freelance website? If you know how to write or you love writing, you can sell your writing services. You can transcribe audio messages or video messages to text. You can design ebook cover. You can design a website. You can do some research, do SEO, write articles, record a video, doing a video testimonial using your mobile phone. There are so many things you can do on this website. Just go there and search, and like I said, you can start for free. You don't pay any money, just register an account and you can get started. But if you're in Nigeria, how to receive your money has been one of the problems. Well, that has been solved by opening a Payoneer account. And then the second online business I recommend is called affiliate marketing. I love this business so much because it is something I do and has made me 7 to 8 figure income online. All right, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply recommending useful products to people who want them, and then you get paid a commission. With affiliate marketing, especially when you do it online, you get paid high commission of 30% commission, 40% commission, 50% commission, 75% commission, even 100% commission from recommending products that you like to other people who want them. Now, let me tell you more about these 2 businesses. Like I said, with freelancing, you can get started for free. But in order to be successful, to make a 6 to 7 figure income, you need to spend time doing it for between 6 months to 1 year before you can be successful. Now, with affiliate marketing, you can be successful within 30 to 90 days. It's very short, but you don't get started for free here, especially in Nigeria. If you want to make a 6-figure income, you want to make a 7-figure income, you need to get started with affiliate marketing with an amount of between 30,000 naira to 100,000 naira minimum. And I have a free training that will show you exactly how to make 400,000 naira in 7 steps. You can access the training right now by looking at the description box below, and you see the link for the free training. Go ahead now and register for the free training. Another reason why I like the affiliate marketing is the richest man in the world currently, by the name of Jeff Bezos, also does affiliate marketing. In fact, in 2018, he became a billionaire for the first time and the number 1 richest man in the world. And one of the businesses he does is affiliate marketing. And guess what? You can also start this business. Another reason why I recommend the affiliate marketing business for an online business that you can start or anybody can start is recently I made over 2 million naira in 90 days with affiliate marketing. In fact, let me show you some proofs from my ex-partner account so that you can see that this is for real. This is my ex-partner account. As you can see, I'm going to click on login right here, and then it's going to bring me to this page. You can see my name at the top far right hand side here, Onome Morin, and you can see that I've done an all-time affiliate sales of 177 sales in 90 days, which gave me an all-time earnings of 2,069,250 naira, and I get paid this money every Friday. Now, if you click on affiliate sales on the left hand side, you can see that I'm selling different products: permanent residence in Canada blueprint, 72-hour income generator system. Now, this first product costs 17,000 naira, and I get paid 50% commission, which is 8,500 naira. And then look at this one, 72-hour income generator system. It costs 30,000 naira, and I get paid 50% commission at 15,000 naira. every single day I'm making sales and getting paid from affiliate marketing. So if you like to know how to get started with affiliate marketing in your online business, then visit my website. The link is in the description below. You can just check it and get to the website and you get to my free training. Question of the day: I would like to know, which online business have you tried starting out in the past? Leave your answer in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the comment section below.